Good morning, everyone. Today we are diving into a super important concept in finance called time value of money or TVM. Why does this matter? Because money today isn't worth the same as money tomorrow. Money can grow over time if you invest it, or it lose value if you wait to receive it. This idea help us make smart decision about saving, investing, or even borrowing. We will cover two key ideas, the compound value concept and the present value concept. Don't worry if this sounds tricky, I'll break it down with example and I'll do some quick calculation together. Okay? So let's start with the compound value concept, also called figure value. This is about figuring out how much money you have today will grow to in the future if you invest it and earn interest. The magic here is compounding. You earn interest not just on your original money but also on the interest you have already earned. Imagine planting a seed. You start with a small seed, your money, and with water, sunlight, interest, it grows into a big tree, your future money. That is compounding. The formula for future value FV equal to PV times 1 plus R equal interest. Okay, and FB is the future value, how much you'll have or later. Okay, PV is the present value, what you start with, and R is the interest rate period. Okay, N is the number of period like years. Let's try an example. Suppose you put 100 rupees in a saving account. Okay, that pays 5 interest per year, compound annually for 3 years. How much will you have? Okay, FV equal to 100,000, then slash times the bracket open 1 plus 0.0.5, then bracket close, then 3. FV equal to 1000 times bracket open 1.05, then bracket close into 3. Let's calculate step by step. Okay, so your interest 1000 grows to about 1157.63 in 3 years. That's extra 157.63 is the power of compounding. Okay. Let's try one together. If you invest 500 rupees at 4.4% interest for 2 years, what's the figure value? Pair up, grab a calculator and let's solve it. The answer would be 541.63 rupees. Okay, the longer you invest and the higher time the interest rate, the more your money grows. Start saving early. Okay, now let's talk about the present value concept. This is the opposite of future. It tells us how much a future sum of money worth today. Why? Because money you get later can't earn interest until you have it. Okay, so it's worth it less now. Okay, think about it like this. Would you rather have 100 today or 100 in a year? You would pick up or because you could invest it and make it more money. Okay. Suppose someone promise you 100 rupees in 3 years and the discount rate is 5%. What's the worth today? So 1000 in 3 years worth about 863.84 rupees. You need to invest 863.84 rupees today at 5% to get 1000 in 3 years. Okay, let's do one together. What is the present value of 2000 to be received in 4 years at a 6% discount rate? Walks in pair. Okay, the answer would be 1584 rupees point 93. Present value help us compare future money to today's money. Okay, which is key for things like value investments or loans. Okay, so why care about TVM, the compound value concept? So why saving early can make you rich? Your money grows over time. The present value concept help you figure out if a future payment like a lottery prize or a loan is a good deal today. Okay, so quick question for discussion. If you win a lottery for rupees 10,000 now or 12,000 in 2 years, which would you pick up assuming a 5% interest rate? Let's practice more problems in our next class and I'll show you how to use a TVM calculator to make this even easier.